Beneath your feet, buried deep within layers of rock, lies a substance so powerful. It has shaped economies, driven wars, and fueled the rise of modern civilization. Formed from ancient oceans, from microscopic life compressed under unimaginable pressure. Crude oil is not just a resource. It is time itself, transformed into energy.
Every time you start an engine, accelerate down a highway,
or power a city, you are unlocking energy from a world over 100 million years old. But how does this thick, black liquid, raw and unrefined,
become the clean, high-performance fuels that power our lives?
This is the story of transformation, precision, and one of the most complex industrial processes ever engineered by humankind.
The journey of oil refining began in the mid-19th century.
When the first commercial oil well was drilled, crude oil was refined into kerosene, used mainly for lighting.
But everything changed with the invention of the automobile.
Refineries had to evolve rapidly. Thermal cracking broke heavy oil into lighter fuels. Then catalytic cracking revolutionized efficiency. Today, refineries process hundreds of thousands of barrels every day. Refined fuels power the backbone of global infrastructure. From a single barrel comes an entire world of... Beneath the surface of the earth lies the foundation of modern energy. This is where crude oil is transformed into usable fuel. The journey begins as crude oil enters the refinery. Stored in massive tanks, crude oil awaits processing. Each batch is tested for quality and composition.
Crude oil is preheated using recovered process heat.
Impurities are removed using electrostatic separation. Water and salt are separated from the oil. The oil is heated to extreme temperatures.
Vapors rise through the distillation column.
Each fraction separates by boiling point.
Light gases are extracted at the top.
Petrol fractions are drawn from the column.
Heavier diesel is separated below. Heavy residue remains at the bottom. Residue is processed under reduced pressure. Heavier oils are separated safely. Cracking breaks large molecules into smaller fuels.
Catalysts accelerate the breakdown process.
New lighter fuels are produced.
Hydrogen removes impurity.
Sulfur is extracted for cleaner fuel.
Fuel quality is improved through reforming. High-performance petrol is produced. Engineers precisely control blending operations. Different streams are combined into final fuels.
Finished fuel is stored safely. Every batch undergoes strict quality testing.
Fuel is transported through vast pipeline systems. Tankers deliver fuel to local destinations.
Fuel begins its journey to consumers.
The refinery never stops producing energy. Rail systems transport fuel across long distances efficiently. Ships carry fuel across oceans to global markets. Advanced systems ensure precision at every stage.
Pressure control maintains safe operations.
Energy is recycled to improve efficiency. Excess gases are safely burned off. Catalysts are continuously regenerated for reuse. Hydrogen is produced for refining processes. Hydrogen is compressed for high-pressure reactions. Hydrocracking produces cleaner fuels.
Cooling systems stabilize temperatures.
Water is purified before reuse or discharge.
Sulfur is recovered as a valuable byproduct.
Additives enhance fuel performance. Fuel properties are fine-tuned precisely.
Final filtration ensures purity.
Storage conditions are constantly monitored.
Floating roofs minimize evaporation losses. Pipelines are tested for safety and reliability.
Final samples verify fuel quality.
Advanced testing ensures compliance with standards. Distribution networks operate continuously.
Fuel reaches local stations for consumers.
The final product powers everyday life.
Energy is released through combustion.
Fuel drives global mobility.
Diesel powers industry and infrastructure.
Global trade depends on refined fuels.
Energy fuels modern civilization. Refineries operate at enormous scale. New technologies reduce environmental impact. Biofuels are integrated into refining.
Automation improves efficiency and safety.
Human oversight ensures reliability. Safety systems protect workers and environment.
Fire systems stand ready at all times.
The process continues around the clock. Energy production never stops. From raw crude to refined precision. A system of immense complexity and scale.
Fuel connects industries across the world.
Energy is released at the molecular level.
Driving the world forward. Built on precision and power. Harnessing energy safely. A continuous cycle of transformation.
From ancient origins to modern energy.